If you love chocolate and hazelnut together, this is going to be your new go-to gelato. This video is all about Bacio Gelato. Bacio literally translates to kiss. It's a classic Italian flavor inspired by the famous Perugina Baci candy with milk chocolate, creamy hazelnut, and little bits of toasted hazelnuts throughout. It's rich, luxurious, and honestly one of the best flavors you can keep in your lineup. This recipe is adapted from my book, The Art of Making Gelato, available on Amazon, with a few small changes that take it up a level and make it feel truly gelato shop quality. Watch through to the end for additional serving tips. First, toast your hazelnuts. This step is optional, but worth it. I like to roast a little extra than what the recipe calls for, so I have some for garnish at the end. Roast them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 to 10 minutes until they smell fragrant. Now it's time to prep your base. Quick note here, I'm using cacao powder, which gives a deeper, more intense chocolate flavor. You can use cocoa powder if that's what you have, but cacao is what I prefer for a bolder, more gelato shop style result. And if you want to make this flavor really shine, I highly recommend using a quality hazelnut paste. I've linked the one I use in the description. It's a professional paste used in gelato shops around the world. You can absolutely try a different one you find, or even skip it, but if you're serious about making the best Bacio Gelato, it's worth having it. These techniques are optional. You can absolutely chop the hazelnuts by hand and whisk the base thoroughly and still get great results. Let your base chill for at least 4 hours, but for the best texture, refrigerate it overnight. This aging time makes a noticeable difference in how smooth and creamy your gelato churns, especially with locust bean gum and a home machine. This Bacio Gelato is smooth, chocolatey, loaded with hazelnut flavor, and just luxurious. Remember, serving temperature matters. Home freezers are much colder than a gelato case, so for the best scoop and texture, serve your gelato after only 4 hours of hardening in your freezer, or if it sits there longer, let your gelato sit out for about 15 minutes before serving. You can also watch our video on how best to serve gelato at home. If you're a chocolate hazelnut lover, this one is going to be on repeat. Buon appetito! No spreadsheets, no complicated calculations, just real Italian gelato made easy. For more gelato tips, recipes, and tutorials, check out the other videos on my channel. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Want to learn more? Visit my website for free and premium resources full recipes, gelato FAQs, and expert support. Thanks for watching.
Ooh, gelato!